shuttle bus can only carry 33 seated people.
That is a water snake right there. That is horrifying. I hate that so much. I didn't even know they were a thing around here. Ugh. That is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life, I think. Okay, we are in the Narrows in Zion's National Park. It is ridiculously beautiful in here.
So cool.
Super awesome. And it's pretty difficult to like walk through the river. It's a tough hike. You normally have to like rent boots and walking sticks, but we've been okay because the water level's pretty low since we're in the middle of the summer right now.
Yeah, so we're just in our tennis shoes.
Yeah, you have to make sure. I brought water shoes, but the support on the bottom was not enough. So it was really kind of rough, especially we've already done a lot of hikes. So we want some extra support on the bottom. So if you have water shoes, make sure they have good support. Otherwise, just wear your tennis shoes. It's not a big deal. But you might want to have a walking stick or hold someone's hand to make sure that you don't fall over because it is pretty precarious. But very rewarding. Look at how gorgeous this is. In case you're wondering, Caitlin and I like to go on hikes as our frequent dates. So this is probably our new favorite though. The Narrows is so amazing. Definitely you should come try it out. But you may want to make sure that you get a shuttle pass because that just makes the journey around Zion's National Park way easier. And you either have to schedule that out ahead of time or like the day before, they give out a bunch of extra passes online
At 9 in the morning.
at 9 in the morning. So just be vigilant watching for those. But the shuttle pass is super important.